Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious juice again with mulberry. You know that it's the season. I did a lot of other juices and jams, marmalade, I don't know, I don't remember. But today I'm going to make another juice which you're going to love it. It will be very refreshing for summer, for your company. So what we need is, we need of course the machine. What I did already, I crushed some ice over here because we're going to use the ice. What we need, about 3 cups of berries, which I already measured it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty this into the blender. This is going to be very tasty juice, which while you have the tree, you always create to do different things with it. Now what I need, I went outside in my garden and I picked up aloe vera. If nobody knows it, I'm sure everybody knows it. It's pretty big, which I used it like twice of the half a size. The rest I will use it for different things. So what I did, I already cleaned it up over here. What I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna put in the berries. What you have to do first, put them in the water and wash them few times, and if you can, leave it 10 minutes again and rinse it again. So that's what we need. And then what I need is, like, if you want, if your berries is sour, you don't have to put it, or if you like a little bit lemony taste, or if it has in it, you don't have to put. Otherwise, if you want, you can put, this is about 2 little lemon it was, so it's like, I can tell you, just like 1 lemon, which is a 1/4 cup. And I grind it over here, very little ginger, which is like 1 teaspoon, which it will give very good taste in it. There is honey over here. For this minute I'm not going to put, but in case if I want to be a little bit tasty, which it will be really. And this honey is from Armenia. I buy this big jar like this because every coffee that I drink, I use this, or with my tea, or if I make different kind of drinks, that's what I will use. Now I'm gonna run the machine. Oh, what I need, one more thing too, we need 1 bottle of drinking water. Any kind of water you like, you can. There you go. Now it's gonna be noisy. It's gonna take few minutes. Couple times I'm gonna let it run. All right, now the juice is done. We're gonna see how tasty it is. And in case if I need honey in it, which it goes very nice, the lemon, the juice of the berries, I have to taste it. It's very delicious, but I can add a little honey in it. I can put maybe 2 cups, so it's kind of give a little nice taste with ginger. All right, let's put 1. When I'm putting 2, of course the honey sticks to the spoon. All right, let's do this. I have to say, yesterday I made this juice and I put it in a refrigerator for my son to come to drink, and he says, "What was that, Mom?" It was very refreshing juice it is. So now I'm gonna run this one more time. All right, now we're gonna put those in the cup. There you go. Let's take this out. Let's see how delicious. Now we have to put a little bit crushed ice in it, but I can fill it and I can put later or before, it doesn't matter. Now let me put just some for both cups, so the surface foam, it will go away, which by the time it's resting, you will see the juice, it turns to a delicious juice. There you go. And now what we need is, we're gonna fill this with crushed ice. You can, if you want, you can mix your ice with the juice. You will enjoy with very refreshing juice. Now after this, what you do, your little bit decoration you do for your guest, for you, for your husband. You put piece of mint to decor, or you have nasturtiums which they can eat. You can eat them, they are very tasty. You can put them next to it, just like this, and you will enjoy it. Let's make this shorter, and here we go. And who doesn't like delicious, refreshing juices like this to offer? Well, I want to thank you very, very much. Try this juice if you have berries. If you don't have berries, you can do it strawberry, blueberry, any kind of berries. But this is what I have on my tree. This is what I enjoy it. You can offer this with the spoon, and they can have fun with it with the regular spoon. It's very, very tasty. Well, salute, cheers to you, salute to you, and try to have it. Thank you very much again. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.